Here we have a PS4 where the power switch is broken. As you can see, it has crack on the side, and I'm going to take this out. It is difficult to detach this micro switch, and I need to use hot air. Micro switch was detached, and it has steel frame coming from the switch, and I already take it out. Now I'm just do the cleaning, and suddenly my solder paste is colored on the ground. Cleaning, apply flux, cleaning again, and look nice. Now this is the donor board. I'm going to use this micro switch from other board, and at this time I am going to use the soldering iron. No hot air, because if I used hot air on this, the plastic will melt. Micro switch is out. Checking if the switch is working well, and it seems working well. Cleaning again. And I saw one solder paste on the cavity. I need to take this out, and I don't have nice tip. Now I'm using the needle, syringe needle, and look nice. Yes. Cleaning again. These micro switches are so small, so you need patience on this one. Checking again the micro switch, and it seems that it's worked fine. I'm going to install it on the board. Aligning, and I will apply solder paste. Solder this side and on the other side to set in place the micro switch. At this time, it's difficult to solder, so I change tip, soldering tip, and apply flux. And nice, wow. Cleaning. Yes, and job is done. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.